In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Higgsfield's outfit shot to generate images and videos. By the end, you'll confidently turn a single model photo into a polished outfit image or an animated clip, all inside Higgsfield. First, open your web browser and go to the Higgsfield website. Once the homepage loads, look for the Apps section in the main navigation. This is where all the creative tools live, and Outfit Shot is the one we'll be using today. Inside Apps, use the search bar and type Outfit Shot. You should see the app appear in the results. Click it to open the tool. This brings you to the Outfit Shot workspace, where everything is centered around your source image and the style you want to generate. Now upload your model image. Choose a clear, well-lit photo where the person is easy to see. Front-facing or slightly angled shots usually work best, and a simple background can help the model stand out. High-resolution images produce cleaner results, so if you have a larger file, that's a plus. Most common image formats are supported, and you'll see a preview once it's uploaded. Next, select your generation type. If you choose image, Higgsfield will create a single high-quality still based on your uploaded model. This is great for lookbooks, product visuals, or quick concept exploration. If you choose video, the tool will generate a short animated clip that brings the outfit to life with motion. Video generally takes a bit longer to process, so keep that in mind if you're on a deadline. Before you generate, take a quick moment to confirm everything looks right. The correct model image is selected, the preview loads properly, and your chosen generation type matches your goal. Small checks now save time later. When you're ready, click Generate. You'll see a progress indicator as Higgsfield processes your request. The duration depends on the image size, the complexity of the model, and whether you selected image or video. Stay on the page while it works. Once it's finished, your result will appear right in the workspace. That's it. You've gone from opening Higgsfield to producing an outfit image or video with just a few clicks. If your result looks great, you're done. If you want variations, you can simply repeat the same flow with a different model photo or switch generation types to compare outcomes. With a good source image and the right selection, Outfit Shot makes it fast and straightforward to create exactly what you need.